Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging. This grants a DB control. Next, install Android platform tools and confirm a DB responds with a DB version. Plug the device via USB, accept the RSA prompt on the device, and run a DB devices to see it listed. Once done, if you prefer wireless, enable a DB over TCP/IP with a DB TCP/IP 5555. Then connect using a DB Connect device IP 5555. Make sure drivers are correct on Windows or use sudo on Mac OS and Linux. You now perform routine tasks. Open an interactive shell with a DB shell to inspect logs, files, and process state. For file transfer, use a DB push to copy to device and a DB pull to retrieve files. Keep paths absolute to avoid confusion. When installing apps, run a DB install rapp to reinstall while preserving data, or a DB uninstall to remove packages. Once done, use a DB logcat to stream logs and Control-C to stop. Make sure to prefix with sudo only when permission errors occur on your host. You finish by cleaning up. If connected wirelessly, run a DB disconnect or a DB kill server to free ports. Reboot the device with a DB reboot or enter the bootloader with a DB reboot bootloader for deeper repair. For persistent issues, restart the ADB server with a DB kill server then a DB start server. One key troubleshooting tip: if a DB devices shows nothing, swap USB cables and ports. Confirm USB mode is file transfer. Accept the RSA key on the device and reinstall platform drivers on the host until recognized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.